your diamonds in the light, and let them see you shine bright.
Cut them hoes. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Hey y'all, so today I'm back with a hair review. As y'all can see, this is more so of a tutorial slash watch me create type of thing. So today what I did with this unit, number one, let me let y'all know who this hair is sent to me by. Okay, so this hair is sent to me by TINASHE Hair. This is what their packaging looks like. Really cute. It's a zip bag, and then there comes your bundles. Comes a little information card that looks like this. Gives you hair care instructions and everything like that, and the different type of hair that they offer. Really cute and nice and informative. So they sent me 120 inch, 122 inch, 124 inch, and an 18 inch frontal, and y'all will see how the bundles came once I construct the wig a little later in the video. Before I start and get into the video, what I did with this hair is I made a hot glue gun wig. I did sew down the closure, but all of the tracks and everything I glued the hair down, and I just wanted to do a mini review before y'all see how I did everything. So I can say that, y'all, this hair is so soft and very full. I mean, I cannot stress how full it is. This hair is extremely full. I did get a little shedding, but that was only because I cut each and every track that I did lay, so that it's expected, but nothing too crazy, not clumps of hair, nothing like that. Y'all, this hair, I haven't tested curling it yet. I'm thinking about doing a get ready with me next week, and I do want to curl this hair, y'all, but I did not want to mess up this texture. It is so pretty and fluffy, y'all. It reminds me of like an Indian hair. It does not remind me, it's just like 10 times better than like the normal Brazilian loose deep. Like, this is not, y'all, just look at it. Let me get a little close. It just, I don't know, it's just giving me like Indian hair vibes. That's what it's doing. But I did not even use all 3 bundles, y'all. I still have hair left over. I used around like 2.5 bundles, but I did get some of every inch in my head. So the 24 hits me all the way at the end of my waist. I am 5'2", just for y'all reference. But my initial review of this hair, I absolutely love it. It is really soft, like goes through my fingers like a butter, literally. And I did do my signature middle part. You already know I love my middle part. And I'm gonna turn to the back so y'all can see the back of the hair. I don't know how y'all see it. I did not put any product in the hair. Only thing that's in this hair is water, and I just sprayed the water in to tame it down, because before I did the water it was like this big, really big, and I just wanted like a more calm look, so that's what I did. I only did baby hairs in the middle of my head because that's normally all that I do for a middle part. If I did a side part, I would do extra baby hairs. I do want to mention that this hair is really light. Y'all know that adding like 3+ bundles or almost 3 bundles in your hair is normally like heavy, but this hair is so light and airy. It's perfect for like the warmer weather, spring, summer. It's the perfect hair for like right now. It's just really light, not heavy at all. Don't seem like it'll make you hot. It's like perfect vacation hair. I absolutely love it. I've seen plenty of reviews about TINASHE hair on YouTube, and I just want to know, like, was it really like as good as everybody's making it seem? And it definitely is. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me this hair, y'all. It's I can't look, just look at it. It's really good, y'all. Really good. Yeah, I did want to add, in this wig I did not do any combs, I did not do any adjustable strap. I did add just one elastic band, and I believe I showed that in what y'all are about to see in the tutorial. So I just want to add that in there. Make sure y'all know that that's how I got it to fit my head. If y'all do want a tutorial on how to do that, just let me know, and I definitely will do that for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and get into the part of me constructing this wig. I did show a lot of it, so y'all just stay tuned if y'all want to see how I made this wig just like this. I do want to add that I did not pluck my part. Like, I did some tiny plucking. I wouldn't even consider it plucking, and this is how it looks. The hair, the frontal, seems like it's already pre-plucked, and it also came with baby hairs, so I didn't have to do much of nothing. I did not bleach this frontal, nothing. This is how it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into me making this wig. I hope y'all enjoy. Hey y'all, I just want to talk this part out real quick. I have applied my frontal down. I do it a little further down, almost to where the baby hairs come down it off of my cap, and also on the sides y'all can see the cap is like back there, and this is like where your forehead and stuff be, so you want that a little further down like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing the frontal down. This is the only part I'm sewing. Everything else will be hot glue gun, so I just want to add that in there, and then I'm gonna continue with right, y'all, so I done finished the wig. It is so full, and I didn't even use all the bundles, y'all, and it is like extremely full. This hair, y'all, is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace. I did the ball cap method under here, so I'm gonna cut off my lace and then like do my baby hairs and everything from there. I don't like doing my baby hairs when my lace and stuff is still on, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. 1 second.